Is your music, video, or call pausing on its own when you're using AirPods? It can be really annoying, but don't worry, it's often easy to fix. This problem usually happens because of issues with automatic ear detection, Bluetooth interference, or outdated firmware. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick steps to solve it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off automatic ear detection. To fix this, go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Scroll down a bit and toggle off automatic ear detection. Now they won't pause when the sensors get confused. Solution 2. Disconnect all other connected devices. Now, if your AirPods are connected to other devices, then it can cause Bluetooth interference. Go to the connected phone setting, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. In the bottom, you will find Forget this device option. Just tap on it and confirm your choice. Repeat this process for all the other connected devices and check your issue again. Solution 3. Restart your phone. A simple restart can fix many glitches. To restart, hold the power and both the volume button until the slider appears. Drag the slider to power off your iPhone. Now wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Then try check your issue again. And that's how you can fix your AirPods if they're pausing on their own. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe for more AirPods tips. Thanks so much for watching.